Yeah, cool beans. Yeah, mine, I signed up for it, then it got deleted. For
We're going hot.
Because they got the wrong one.
Colonel, we're going hot. You got
going hot!
That's 700, right?
Yep. The first single man, the big tall one.
Yep. All right.
You're there. You're still there.
Where at?
You're hitting him right in the chest area.
Is there a tanner right down there?
I think someone knocked it down. Must have flew shrapnel through it. Over his left shoulder.
Now, how about the 1100?
Yeah, we'd have to spin it up 6
Oh, no,
minutes.
that's all right.
If you want, we'll give it a whirl. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a chicken dinner. Oh, he almost took his head off. Damn, that almost was a chicken dinner too. I'm glad I'm not standing down there.
You just hit both collarbones. Left one, right one.
Just a little high on that one. High right. Hit him right in the chin.
That's 700.
Ooh,
That would have decapitated him that last time.
Thank you. Woo.
You know what? The last shot had to decapitated.
Sean, do you copy?
Nice break. You guys all have good turret control. I haven't seen anybody punch it yet.
Anyone need a chew? Share my bad habits.
He's hot.
Sean, copy.
Okay. Straight away.
Sean to Patty.
Just about the belly button. Almost hit that other guy's hole. Right shoulder, nice shot. Oh, that was almost a chicken dinner. Son of a bitch. If we didn't cut that out that way, that'd have shot right through the center.
Well, I'm feeling a little bad because these boys are out shooting us pretty bad.